What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. If you're new to the channel, I buy liquidation merchandise, go to flea markets, pawn shops, pretty much anything I can pick up to resell. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk about my experience with being a host on Turo. This is my first time, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so let me go ahead and bring up my Turo app on my phone. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I don't know how you can see that, but there it is. So let me go ahead and bring up my first experience. I rented out my 2010 Chevy Aveo, and I did rent it out for 1 week, and I wanted to show you guys how much I made. So let's go ahead and check that out. So go into post. So there's my listing. Now I bought the car specifically to do this. I paid $2,400 for it. I put in some money into it to get it running in good shape. I still need to put, I need to get the coolant flushed, and I get the AC recharged, because it does cool, but it doesn't cool enough. Like it feels like it's low on Freon, and I already put Freon in it, so I was told that recharge would be the best thing to do. So let's go ahead and show you real quick what I've made so far. Like I said, the car rented out for a week. So we'll go here, and there's my totals for the car being rented out for 7 days. It rented out on Wednesday and it came back Wednesday. The renter was awesome, Joshua. He was really cool, nice guy. So that's the total I made for this trip, for a 7-day trip. Now the reason being it looks so low is because I grabbed the best. They give you like 5 tiers for insurance on your vehicle, and I went ahead and got the best insurance. Now what that does is that it brings down the money you take home, and the less insurance you have on it, the more money you pocket. Also, Turo takes percentage for being able to run the app, to screen people and do all the things they need to do. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the amount I made. It is an older car. It's a 2010. It is paid for, so I don't have a monthly payment. Although I am thinking of getting a newer car and putting it on the platform and see how it does. But as of right now, like I say, 1 week I got almost $70, which isn't bad. I cleaned the car, made sure everything was, like make sure the car was running right. Filled it up with gas. They came and picked it up. It was early in the morning that day. I think it was at 7 when the gentleman picked it up, and then when he returned it, it was 5 in the morning. It was an easy, pleasant, transaction. I had no issues at all with him. He told me that the tires were kind of low on the front end. He went ahead and filled them for me. Like I say, great guy, awesome renter, and I'm hoping that the rest of my future rentals will be the same. I know I've been talking about it, but if you don't know what Turo is, it's a platform where you can rent out your vehicle, and people rent it from you. So that's what happened here. We got it for a week, and he was really happy with the car. And like I said, I was happy that he took care of it. And when I got it back, I checked it out and everything was good. Before it goes out on a trip, you need to take pictures of your vehicle and your mileage and all that. And then after the vehicle comes back to you, you have a time frame also where you have to take pictures of the vehicle, and if there's any issues, like if, let's say, the person that rented it out, smoked in the vehicle or tore up your seats, anything, you need to document all that. And then I'm assuming Turo takes care of it. I've seen where it asks, was there any issues with this trip, like like I said earlier about the smoking or anything like that. And I'm assuming they take care of it. And that's my experience. That's my first time, like I said, running out on Turo, being a host. And hopefully there's more trips and more money to be made. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you get a chance, check out my one of my previous videos. I'm giving out a Nintendo DSi. All you have to do is watch the video, subscribe. If you already subscribed, that's great. Just leave a comment and give it a like. Alright guys, thank you. We'll see you soon.